Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends, how have to be? Welcome back dear friends to my YouTube channel at a crochet pattern. And friends, you will be fine, happy, spending good and lavish life. In this video I share with you beautiful and great ideas. Come friends, now I share with you beautiful and great ideas in this video. Crochet kettle covers in this video I share with you. Hopefully you will enjoy that's beautiful and great ideas. And to create different type of thinking knowledge to watching that's beautiful and meets ideas, and you will likes my ideas. So friends, you enjoy this video which I shared with you, and you can create different type of thinking knowledge watching that's beautiful ideas which I share with you. Subscribe my channel, like my ideas which I share with you, and you can create different type of thinking knowledge uploading this video your friends, your mutual friends. And friends, you will enjoy that's beautiful and great ideas which I share with you. You can create different type of thinking knowledge to watching that's beautiful and unique ideas. And friends, you will enjoy that's beautiful, and I hope friends you will enjoy that's beautiful ideas uploading this video your friends, your mutual friends, overall your social personality which you know have that. And friends, you will enjoy that's beautiful ideas. So subscribe this channel, like my ideas which I shared with you. In this video friends, I introduce beautiful and great ideas. Hopefully you will gain different type of knowledge watching that's beautiful idea. So friend, you will enjoy that's beautiful and great ideas in this video which I share with you. Beautiful ideas. Thank you so much friend. Next time I will meet you and I introduce new and great crochet ideas which are most ambitious and are different to each other. Next time I will meet you with beautiful and crochet ideas. Take care guys, I hope you will enjoy my ideas. Friend, next time I will introduce beautiful and great linguistic design ideas in this video I share with you. Hopefully you will enjoy that's beautiful idea.